Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to TechUp YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Shazam without downloading the app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, you need to open the settings option, and now once you open it you'll be able to see the settings sections on in the screen, where you need to scroll a little bit down unless you find the control center. So once you find it, which is just down below of this general option, simply click or tap on that control center, and now you will be redirected to the another section where you need to scroll a little bit down unless you find the music recognition. So once you find it, simply tap on that plus icon which is at the left side. So once you tap on it, you will be able to add it successfully. Now what you need to do is you need to swipe it from the top right corner, and you will be able to see the Shazam icons on in the screen. So once you tap on it, you will be able to access it successfully. So basically this is how you can use Shazam without downloading the app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.